smoke oven, so
Oh, okay.
if you wonder why I lit the smoke and haven't used it. It's always worth watching, you know, what they're doing at the entrance as well. In fact, I'm going to take this entrance block out because it's, as you will see,
Yeah.
it'll make life a lot easier for you. Get it out.
Oh, right, that little.
There we go.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Nice.
Yeah. See, immediately they've started coming in and out at the ends.
Yeah.
And if you look for the ones coming in with pollen,
Yeah.
you'll see there's the colours at the moment are really, really strong. There was a beautiful orange a minute ago.
Yeah,
There's
I
one.
saw that. Yeah, I saw that earlier.
Soft yellows.
Fantastic. Just going a bit closer. It's an amazing noise, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a happy. This is a happy noise. It's just bees
Yeah.
being very happy.
Whoa, look at that.
Now look at this. Right, now we have got a very full hive.
Oh my
to
goodness.
the point where this is just stunning. You lovely girls. They stick everything down with propolis, so it's, they've started to build comb. Oh wow. They've started to build comb here. We need to get some honey boxes on here like crazy.
Wow.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
Most of these are either sometimes people call them nurse bees, sometimes call them house bees, but these bees are less than 3 weeks old and their job is to look after the hive. So they're young bees. They will sting, but they're generally pretty docile.
Yeah.
They haven't had to fight, you know, so they
Right,
haven't
okay.
really developed their stinging capacity. Having said that, they will sting. This is a bee scenting, lifting her tail up in the air.
It's amazing, that honeycomb, isn't it?
Yeah.
Casting that shadow.
So they hatch out. It takes 21 days for a worker bee to hatch. And once they've hatched, I'm just going to pop that down there so don't
Yeah, that's got a bit of.
don't kick them.
Yeah.
It's great in the sun on it, isn't it? Yeah, so after 21 days they hatch, and then they spend approximately 3 weeks in the hive just cleaning like this. Look, you see you put a dead bee there. Look, you see this one's on it straight away.
Right.
So they clear away all the bodies.
Well,
They clean the cells ready for the queen.
Yeah.
You know, just generally keep the hive in order. Now these are brand new. Oh my god. This, 3 or 4 days ago. No, when did I open up? A week ago. This was foundation, and they built all this out
In 3 days.
In about a week.
Gosh.
This is a week. Both sides. Look, you can see where they've started building out there.
That's amazing.
And now what I'm going to do, I'm just making sure the queen isn't here. Now, it's unlikely that she'll be on the end frame.
Right.
Smoke. But what you don't want to do is to put a frame on the ground and find that the queen is on it, because she'll skip off. She doesn't, well, she will fly, but you know. This here, that's a drone bee. He's a male. There he is.
Oh yeah, gosh, it's very different looking.
Yeah. Fertile males.
Yeah.
There'll be 100 or so in here.
Right.
There are quite a few actually. Look, there's a couple there.
Oh yeah, they're bigger, aren't they? And
Yeah.
darker.
They don't sting.
Huh.
Yes.
Look at that. Let's get a bit of that. Huh.
Not very happy, are you, darling?
I loved it when they come out.
I'm just going to, before you take films, I'm just going to check.
Yeah.
Whereas this is a mixture of pollen and beeswax, and which is why it's that sort of, you know, browny colour. I'll find you some eggs in a minute.
Yeah.
So this is a 14 by 12 inch frame.
Yeah.
and it's a slightly bigger than the normal British National hive size.
Right.
The reason I like it is that the size of the comb that they've made there replicates their natural comb that they create in the wild. So if we were opening up a tree with a colony of honeybees inside it, the size of the comb that they would have built is roughly that size.
Right.